Good morning. It is cold. It was cold last night. Right now it's about 22 degrees. I'm guessing last night I got down to 17. Definitely a chilly night. The coldest night of this trip so far. Yeah, I had to use 3 sleeping bags last night to stay warm. But I did, and I was comfortable with those 3 sleeping bags. Today's gonna be a bit of a shorter day, shorter video. Today's Friday as I'm filming this, and there's a lot that I actually need to get done this weekend, and so I need to get back home today. And so I'm just gonna do one adventure this morning, then I'll drive back. I'm probably, I don't know, 3.5, 4 hours from home. The object of my attention today, what I'm going to be doing, is right across from me here. I'm going to be climbing this mountain called the Wickiup. It's an iconic mountain in this part of the desert. It's one that I've always wanted to climb, and so I'm gonna finally add it to the list of mountains I've climbed. That's the goal for today. Getting pretty close to the mountain itself now, and according to the GPS track I have, I'm supposed to just kind of go up here and then go over and then up one of these ridges. Easier said than done. If you couldn't tell, there's no trail here. There's my shadow right there, and here is the ridge that I'll be following all the way to the top. Or maybe this one of these. It just looks like extremely unpleasant hiking. Just very steep. Guess we'll find out soon enough. You know it's gonna be a good hike when you look up and think, how is that possible? And then somehow you find a line that makes it up. I'm looking forward to it. I can't wipe this grin off my face. This summit is just incredible. This is not for people who are afraid of heights, because it feels like it's just dropping down in every direction. Short of rock climbing a technical tower, like a spire of rock, I don't know if you can find a more exposed summit than this. What a place. I was looking at my shoes last night. I want to show them to you. Show you what about a year of hiking on very rough terrain does to shoes. The rock just chews it up. There are all sorts of holes, and the tread on the bottom is almost gone. There's basically nothing left. It's time to get some new hiking shoes. As long as you don't mind exposure and hiking on steep stuff. I mean, this hike only took like 45 minutes, definitely less than an hour. It's not a long hike. It's not especially difficult, it's just steep. And yeah, awesome though. It's 9:20 right now. It'll take me, you know, an hour to get back to my car and to get ready. I can see my camp just out there, that's pretty cool. And then I'm gonna drive home. This has been an awesome trip. This is day 5 of this trip and the last day. And I don't think you can get much more out of a 5-day trip. I do wish the days were a little bit longer and the weather a bit warmer, but hey, I'll take what I can get. This is just an amazing part of the world, an amazing part of the US. You know, I could see myself coming back here for the rest of my life and still not see everything that I want to see, still not do everything that I want to do. I'm gonna finish filming here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this is a shorter video, but you know, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Hope you enjoyed this video series. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was. Let me know what your favorite part of this series was, this 5-video series. And I will see you soon, in a few days, I guess, in another adventure and on another trip. Thanks again for watching.